So now the second type of the oscillator is Wien-Bridge oscillator circuit. So it is called Wien-Bridge because this bridge circuit, according to this bridge circuit, it is called as a Wien-Bridge oscillator. And this bridge circuit is act as a feedback network. And in this case, there is no any phase shift between input and output of the op-amp, and there is no any phase shift produced by the Wien-Bridge oscillator. So according to the Parkinson criteria, the total phase shift around this loop is 0 degree. Okay. So at the initial condition, again all of you know that oscillator is without any external input signal. It generates the output. It means with the help of supply voltages like VCC and VEE. Okay, when you apply VCC and VEE for this op-amp, so we'll get one distortion signal. at the output side, and that output is fed back to the Wien-Bridge oscillator circuit. That output is connected to the node A, and node C is grounded. And whatever this op-amp, so this op-amp is used as a non-inverting amplifier. In the RC phase shift we used inverting amplifier, but now in Wien-Bridge oscillator, so whatever the input we are giving to only the non-inverting amplifier circuit, so we are considered as a non-inverting op-amp circuit. And in the bridge circuit, totally there are two arms are there. The very important arms are two. One is R1C1 combination, and these R1C1 are in series. Second one R2C2. These two are in parallel, and these arms are called as a frequency sensitive arms. These two arms are called as a frequency sensitive arms, and these two frequency sensitive arms decides the generation of the frequency from the oscillator circuit. That's why these two arms are very important role in the case of generating the frequency of oscillations. And this type of feedback circuit or network is called as a lead lag network. Then after that, already discussed, the output of the amplifier is connected between node A and node C, and this output of the op-amp is act as an input of the bridge circuit. Whatever the output of the op-amp is act as a input signal of this bridge circuit. Okay, and after that, with the help of this input signal, whatever the bridge circuit is, it is operating. So when it is operating, so with the help of these two frequency sensitive arms, it will generate the oscillations with the desired frequency. Okay, and that frequency is measured with the help of this equation, that is F0 is equal to 1 upon 2 pi r into C. 2 pi r into C. Then how will get r and C here? Practically we can say that whatever the R1, R2, then R3, R4 we are using. So if all resistance are equal, similarly if both capacitors are equal value, so we get finally F0 is equal to 1 upon 2 pi RC. So based on this concept, how much frequency of oscillation is generated by this oscillator is calculated by 1 upon 2 pi R into C.